Alright, you guys, I have something awesome to show you. Look what I got. I have three 1978 XR75's. This was my original one. If y'all remember it. The gas tank for it's right here. It's an XR80 1979 gas tank. And this is the new 78 gas tank I got with this one right here. Came off of this one. But I bought both of these for a great deal. They're not running. Well, actually, hold on. But they're locked up and they're just beat. The frames are in great condition though. And the engines were locked up. But we just got this one running. It was locked up, but we spin the coil and like it's not gonna run right now because we have a starting fluid ran out. But kicks over and it runs like a champ. And what I'm thinking about doing is I'm gonna finish restoring that one right there, just all original. And because the engine that's in it is an XR80, as y'all know if you watch the original videos. But both these are 75 engines, and I'm gonna put the 75 engine in that frame. And any other parts that I don't have for that one, I'm going to take off both of these to finish that one. And then I'm going to put these two together or just sell off the parts. I'll put these two together and build one, and then the rest of the parts go up for sale. I have an exhaust for this one. It's a little beat up though, so I'm going to try to fix it up, or I'm just going to make like a rat rod type exhaust system for it. The levers on these are really nice. They're missing the rubber nubs though. But like, look at the boots and stuff, they look real good. Suspension works, all the wheels are there, all the spokes. The engine parts are all there except for like the left side covers for both of them. The carburetor's there, the airbox is there. This one has an original front number plate with the bracket, which I don't have on this one. This one had to build something. Y'all see this cool, it was like an air-cooled, old school 80s style front number plate I built. All the shocks and stuff are there. There's some good parts on this. Got it for a great deal. So I'm gonna be able to finish that one over there and get these two fixed. So I'll keep y'all updated, and y'all have a good rest of y'all's day. See ya.